Hello, hi, it's Bonnie here, and welcome back to my channel, Just Bonnie Productive. How are you all going? And today is Tuesday? Yeah, it's Tuesday in Perth, and kind of coldish but okay day in July. I feel like a weather girl. And I'm going to show you what you can do out of my art and craft ideas. This video is art and craft with Bonnie, Princess Bonnie, la la la. So, I have got one of these. See what I'm doing? Here I decided to use green for this one, red, black for this one, green, black, and doing a pattern and turning it into a flower. So let's do a bit of more work on this. When you are bored at home, there is nothing more therapeutic than just doing a bit of art and craft. Even if no one sees it, even if nobody compliments it, I'm up to here. That doesn't matter. You know that you've done it, and you know that you've done it, and that you like it. All that matters is in art and craft that you enjoyed the process and that you liked it. And here I've got this cardboard, which I'm going to use as collage, and I'm going to stick these flowers in there and add in some things to make it like a flowerish collage. And I think that will be totally cool. Why I do art and craft, it helps me block negativity in life. It helps me block depression. I do come up across negative people who tell me all sorts of things about my condition. And at the end of the day, if I keep positive myself, I can cure it and come back to my old fit self. So, doesn't matter what other people say, at the end of the day, life is what you make out of it. And you gotta take care of yourself and do fun things. I do study and I do voluntary work, but I also do fun things in life, like this. Nah, I do more fun things than that, well, I hope. I like to travel. And I like to go out with my friends, see movies, new bars and cafes in Perth. La la la, you know what I mean. I went to my tape class today. It was actually okay for the first day, but the first day is always okay. First day is always okay. They say. On Tuesday I finished at 12. And yeah, I'll be starting till the end of the year, and I hope my YouTube channel gets a bit bigger, so you can come and check out art and craft ideas with Bonnie, some travel stories, some tours of places, and I've got my camera now, so I can take my camera. And yeah, maybe I'll do a bit of yoga with my camera. Well, I do practice yoga once a week, so I could do a yoga video for you guys. But for now I am doing this flower that I said that I would do last time. It is just simple black and green at the moment because it's a lot more details will come on later. On the collage I will add in more different cupcakes. I will add in more of these, and they will be in more colors, and more colors will come in different shapes, so they'll be everywhere on the collage. Pretty much like this, only they will look like this. So if you want to see how that is done, tune in my video, and I hope that you get inspired to do a silly, well, not a silly, a fun art and craft activity with Barney, you can come in twice a week on my YouTube channel and I can give you ideas on what to do for art and craft. I'm very fast at ideas, like that. And my friends in my art and craft class, where I still teach there, I'm just on a break because of studying. They say they need a body double of me, somebody who can think of ideas so quickly as me. But yeah, I can think of art ideas very quick, so you can message me below. And if you're looking for something to do in art and craft, I can surely give you an idea. So at the moment I'm coloring this in. I like this little pattern. It's going to look totally cool. And you know, why not try something different from Red Dot stores? I buy this from Red Dot stores. You guys, if you do art, let me know where you buy supplies. I got a Spotlight sometimes. I got rejection at Red Dot stores. I got a Riot as well, but sometimes they can be expensive. Spotlight is okay. I don't mind it. Oh, come on, textile work. Work. So, yeah, basically, art and craft can help you develop your creativity. It can help you fill in time in the day. Like, see, I have spare hour or so, and I can fill in my time by just doing this and then turning it into a collage. And I hope this will be fun for you as much as it is fun for me. I'm almost done. It's actually not as slow as it looks. What you can also do with this is hole punch it, make one hole and put it on a string, and you can make a little string with these little flowers on it. I might try to do that as well. We can come up with art ideas so quick. A lot of people can, just gotta find them and meet them. My Thursday art instructor comes up with ideas very quick. Very quick. I'm like, how does she do that? So, yeah. I met some people in my new class today. They seemed okay. Not too many immature people so far, like Type sometimes has. And I'm going to the Mint on Friday, which is a modern cafe, so maybe I do some vlogging there. The Mint is cool, and I'm coming to the end of this. And my texture is running out, which kind of sucks. Sometimes I have to close it and start using it again. I am just about at the end of my little flower. Next, I will show you how my flower collage turns out. and you will see the development of this unusual little art thing made out of cupcake materials. So I don't need better textures, I have to say, even though I have lots of stuff in my house. Lots of stuff in my house. This is pretty much done. I will do a few more of these and keep you updated. And guess what? I will say I will love you and leave you, and thumbs up my video and message me below if you like any art and craft ideas, or if you have any yourself. Bonnie would like some new ideas. And yeah, that is it from me today, and ciao Bella, bye bye.